In this tip of the day, let's take a look at the ultra-fast OneCNC Quick Check. Now, Quick Check provides a very fast representation of all your toolpath. In fact, Quick Check is much faster than your toolpath preview and also toolpath simulation. All right, now in this example, you can see we have a solid model with 2 pockets, and I've already applied 6 machining operations. Now, to perform a quick check, all you need to do is take your cursor, right-hand mouse click on your toolpath group, and select Quick Check. And there you go. Now again, Quick Check provides a very fast representation of the toolpath, but not a high-resolution representation of the toolpath. It's just a very quick way anytime during your programming workflow to get an idea of what toolpath has been applied to the part. Now there's another place in which you can execute Quick Check. Let me demonstrate that for you. If you take your cursor, and this time if you double click on your toolpath group, within the NC processing dialog box, you also have Quick Check. Just left-hand mouse click, and there you go. All right, so if you're looking for a very fast method to see the results of your toolpath, then Quick Check is a perfect solution. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.